Imagine walking into a home where raw steel beams soar overhead, polished concrete floors gleam beneath your feet, and massive factory-style windows flood the space with natural light. This isn't a converted warehouse in downtown Manhattan costing millions. This is an industrial barndominium, and you can build one for a fraction of traditional home costs. What if I told you that the hottest design trend of 2025 combines the edgy sophistication of urban lofts with the affordability and durability of metal buildings? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to create a stunning industrial barndominium that will make your friends think you hired a celebrity designer. Before we dive in, if you're serious about alternative housing and cutting-edge design ideas, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss a single episode. Trust me, you'll want to see what's coming next. What is industrial barndominium design? Let's talk about what makes industrial barndominium design so special. This style emerged from transforming old industrial spaces, warehouses, and manufacturing buildings into modern living spaces. The aesthetic celebrates raw, honest materials rather than hiding them. We're talking exposed steel beams, visible ductwork, concrete surfaces, and metal fixtures that most traditional homes would cover up. Industrial barndominium design takes this urban loft concept and merges it with the practical advantages of barndominium construction. You get the soaring ceilings, open floor plans, and dramatic spaces of a converted factory, but you're building from scratch with modern materials and systems. The result is a home that feels both edgy and inviting, contemporary yet timeless. The beauty here is balance. You're not creating a cold, stark warehouse. You're mixing those raw industrial elements with warm textures like reclaimed wood, leather furniture, and soft textiles. Picture exposed steel trusses against warm wooden accent walls, or polished concrete floors softened with plush area rugs. It's the contrast that creates magic. Signature elements of industrial barndominium design. Let me break down the key elements that define this style and make it so visually striking. First, exposed steel beams and structural elements. In industrial barndominiums, the steel frame isn't hidden behind drywall. Those beams, trusses, columns, and X-braces become architectural features. Many homeowners leave the steel in its natural metallic finish or paint it matte black for dramatic effect. The structural bones reveal beauty, and there's something honest and powerful about seeing exactly what's holding your home up. Second, polished or sealed concrete floors. Concrete isn't just a budget choice, it's a design statement. These floors can be stained in various colors, polished to a high sheen, or given a matte finish. They're incredibly durable, easy to maintain, and perfect for radiant floor heating. Plus, they complement the industrial aesthetic perfectly while providing thermal mass that helps regulate temperature. Third, exposed ductwork and utilities. Here's where industrial design gets really interesting. Instead of hiding HVAC ducts, electrical conduit, and plumbing pipes in ceilings and walls, you leave them visible. This celebrates the functional infrastructure of your home. Paint them black or metallic colors, and they become intentional design elements that add visual interest to high ceilings. Fourth, massive windows and natural light. Industrial spaces traditionally had large windows to illuminate factory floors. Industrial barndominiums embrace this with floor-to-ceiling windows, clear-story windows up high, glass garage doors, and even glass corner installations. Black-framed windows are particularly popular, creating stunning contrast and that signature warehouse look. Fifth, open-concept layouts with defined zones. The floor plan typically features one massive great room that combines living, dining, and kitchen areas. However, you create zones within this open space using furniture arrangement, area rugs, partial walls, or changes in ceiling height. The key is maintaining visual flow while providing functional separation. Sixth, neutral color palettes with strategic pops. Industrial design favors blacks, whites, grays, and natural metal tones as the base palette. Then you add warmth and personality through natural wood tones, leather, greenery, and carefully selected accent colors. Think charcoal walls with warm cognac leather sofas, or white walls with black steel accents and vibrant artwork. Seventh, mixed materials and textures. The magic happens when you combine hard and soft, smooth and rough, cold and warm. Steel against reclaimed wood. concrete against plush textiles, sleek metal against weathered brick or stone. These contrasts create depth and prevent the space from feeling one-dimensional or cold. 2026 trends in industrial barndominium design. Let's talk about what's absolutely trending right now in industrial barndominium design for 2026. Minimalist industrial is dominating. We're seeing cleaner lines, less clutter, and more intentional spaces. The focus is on quality over quantity. Instead of filling every wall with decor, homeowners are selecting statement pieces that shine against the raw industrial backdrop. Think one massive piece of abstract art on a concrete wall rather than a gallery wall of smaller frames. Mixed material exteriors are huge. The days of plain metal siding are over. Modern industrial barndominiums combine metal with wood accents, stone veneer, charred wood siding, and board-formed concrete. These mixed materials add warmth and visual interest to the exterior while maintaining that industrial edge. Smart home integration is becoming standard. Voice-activated systems, automated lighting that adjusts throughout the day, smart thermostats, integrated security systems, and remote control features are no longer luxury add-ons. They're expected features that blend seamlessly with the industrial aesthetic through sleek, minimalist interfaces. Sustainable and reclaimed materials are everywhere. Homeowners are incorporating reclaimed wood from old barns for accent walls or ceiling planks, salvage factory windows, vintage industrial lighting fixtures, and recycled steel. This not only adds character and history to the space, but also aligns with environmental values. Floating staircases with steel stringers and glass or cable railings are replacing traditional enclosed staircases. These become sculptural focal points that maintain openness and allow light to flow through multiple levels. Black steel accents are the new standard. Matte black window frames, black steel beams, black metal railings, black hardware, and black light fixtures create cohesive visual threads throughout the space. This creates sophisticated contrast against lighter walls and floors. Designing your industrial barndominium, room by room. Let me walk you through how to apply industrial design principles to different areas of your barndominium. The great room is your showpiece. This is where you go big with 16 to 20-foot ceilings, exposed steel trusses spanning the space, and massive windows on at least 2 walls. Consider a linear fireplace with a simple surround, maybe steel or concrete, that runs horizontally rather than the traditional vertical design. Furniture should be substantial enough to match the scale. Standard-sized sofas will look like dollhouse furniture in a 60-foot great room. You need larger sectionals, oversized chairs, and properly scaled coffee tables. For the kitchen, industrial style means function meets form. Think commercial-grade stainless steel appliances, concrete or butcher block countertops, open shelving with steel brackets instead of upper cabinets, pendant lights with Edison bulbs or metal shades hanging over a large island, and matte black or stainless hardware. The kitchen island often becomes the heart of the home, sized generously for both food prep and gathering. The master suite should balance industrial edge with comfort. You might have exposed beams overhead, but pair them with soft textiles, layered bedding, and warm lighting. A spa-like bathroom can feature polished concrete floors with radiant heat, a freestanding soaking tub, glass-enclosed shower with black fixtures, and floating vanities with vessel sinks. For additional bedrooms and flex spaces, you can tone down the industrial elements slightly. Maybe just one exposed beam or concrete accent wall rather than full industrial treatment. This creates variety throughout the home and makes bedrooms feel more intimate and cozy. Don't forget vertical space. Lofts and mezzanines are perfect for industrial barndominiums. These can serve as home offices, reading nooks, entertainment areas, or additional sleeping spaces. Steel railings with cable or glass panels maintain openness while providing safety. Practical considerations and costs. Let's get real about the practical side of industrial barndominium design. Acoustics require attention. All those hard surfaces, concrete floors, exposed steel, and high ceilings can create echo chambers. You need to plan for sound absorption from the start. Large area rugs, upholstered furniture, fabric window treatments, acoustic panels disguised as artwork, and even strategically placed plants help manage sound. Some homeowners add wood plank ceilings in certain zones to warm the space and dampen sound. Insulation is critical. Metal buildings can develop condensation without proper insulation. Spray foam insulation is the gold standard for industrial barndominiums, typically costing between $1.50 and $5 per square foot. This creates a tight thermal envelope, prevents condensation, and actually helps with sound dampening. Heating and cooling systems need to be sized properly for the high ceilings and open spaces. Many industrial barndominiums use zoned HVAC systems, radiant floor heating in concrete, and ceiling fans to manage air circulation. The good news is that proper insulation and thermal mass from concrete floors help regulate temperature naturally. Lighting layers are essential. You need ambient lighting from recessed cans or track lighting, task lighting over work areas and kitchen islands, accent lighting to highlight architectural features, and decorative statement fixtures that serve as art pieces. Industrial-style fixtures like vintage factory lights, exposed bulb pendants, and metal cage lights are popular choices. Cost-wise, industrial barndominium design can actually save money in several areas. Leaving beams exposed eliminates drywall and ceiling finishing costs. Polished concrete floors cost less than installing hardwood throughout. Exposed ductwork means no soffit construction. However, you'll invest more in spray foam insulation, quality windows, and statement fixtures. Overall, expect costs ranging from $100 to $180 per square foot for a well-executed industrial barndominium with quality finishes. Why choose industrial barndominium design? Let me tell you why this style is taking off and why it might be perfect for you. Timeless appeal means your home won't look dated in 5 years. Industrial design has roots going back decades, and its emphasis on honest materials and functional beauty gives it staying power. The style adapts as you add or change furnishings and decor. Durability is built into every element. Steel frames last 50+ years with minimal maintenance. Concrete floors are virtually indestructible. Metal and glass don't rot, warp, or deteriorate. You're building a home that will outlast traditional construction. Flexibility for lifestyle changes is unmatched. Those open floor plans and lack of load-bearing interior walls mean you can reconfigure spaces as your needs change. Home office today, nursery tomorrow, art studio next year. The bones stay the same, but the function adapts. Low maintenance requirements save time and money. No painting exterior siding. No refinishing floors every few years. No treating for termites. No replacing rotted trim. You'll spend your weekends living in your home, not maintaining it. The wow factor is undeniable. Industrial barndominiums make statements. They photograph beautifully. They impress visitors. They reflect bold design choices and individual style rather than cookie-cutter suburban conformity. Industrial barndominium design represents the perfect marriage of form and function, urban sophistication and rural practicality, raw aesthetics and modern comfort. Whether you're drawn to the dramatic visual impact of exposed steel and soaring ceilings, the practical benefits of durable materials and open layouts, or the cost-effectiveness compared to traditional luxury homes, industrial barndominiums offer something truly special. The key to success is embracing the contrast. Don't be afraid of those raw materials. Balance them thoughtfully with warm, soft, lived-in elements. Create spaces that feel both impressive and inviting, architectural and comfortable, edgy and welcoming. If you're considering an industrial barndominium, start by collecting inspiration images. Visit industrial spaces in your area. Talk to builders experienced with metal construction and modern design. Most importantly, think about how you actually live and make sure your design supports your lifestyle rather than fighting against it. This is your opportunity to create something unique, something that reflects your personality and values, something that will serve you beautifully for decades to come. Industrial barndominium design isn't for everyone, but for those who connect with this aesthetic, it's absolutely transformative. Have you designed or built an industrial barndominium? What elements are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more alternative housing content, and share this with anyone dreaming of building something extraordinary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.